fine. So today we are going to learning about the chapter acid, base and salt of class 7th. Okay. First of all, what is acid, what is base and what is salt? Now the first topic is what is acid. Acid are sour in taste, मतलब कि खट्टे होते हैं. Sour in taste means खट्टे, and the Latin word is acre, and the definition of acid is the substance which sour in taste and have acidic ingredients and solution are acidics. Okay, वो substances जो कैसे होते हैं, खट्टे होते हैं, या फिर उनके अंदर जो ingredients होते हैं वो कैसे होंगे, खट्टे टाइप के होंगे, थोड़ी खटास होगी उनके अंदर, और उनका जो नेचर होता है वो कैसा होता है, एसिडिक होता है. एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि कौन कौन सी चीजें होती है जो हमें खट्टी लगती है, जैसे कि लेमन हो गया, ऑरेंज हो गया, दही होता है वो भी, कर्ड लाइक, ठीक है, विनेगर हो गया. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर लाइक sour in taste, so they are called acidic. Okay, now the acid is divided, or we can say it is classified based on source, based on strength. So first of all, the classification based on source. Okay, the classification based on source is, or we can say classification, or we can say we can classify based on source in organic and inorganic way, or we can say mineral. Okay, now in organic they are natural, okay, and in mineral they are artificial, or we can say in organic they are artificials. Examples of acid in they have scientific name also, like citric acid, acetic acid, lactic acids. Citric acid are mostly found in lemon, okay, oranges, all these things. Lactic acid is found in curd हो गया, acetic acid is found in vinegar, and inorganics are like hydrochloric, sulfuric, nitric acid. They all are made by chemical reactions, or we can say chemical. Okay, now the acid classify based on strength. Next is classified based on strength. Okay, they are classified like strong and weak. In strong, corrosive in nature means they are or those acids which can burn our skin, and weak acids are like mild in nature, which acid which we can eat also. Okay, examples are like corrosive in nature like sulfuric, hydrochloric acid. Okay, they can burn our skin, but the weak acids which are mild in nature like acidic, oxalic acids like curd, lemon, which we can eat easily. Okay, now the properties of acids are like, okay, now we study about the acids. Okay, now we can make the properties of acids like they are sour in taste. Okay, they have corrosive in nature, or we can say they soluble in water. Okay, they conduct electricity also. They can be stored in like plastic or glass container. Okay, now next is we can say that from this also basis. Okay, we can say basis. The different thing is bases are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste means they have taste like khara, okay, or we can say kadwa. Okay, and they have okay basic ingredients, and solutions are like basic, and solutions are like basic. Examples are we can say that examples are like baking soda, lime water, है ना? These are the example of bases: baking soda and lime water, extra. So next, okay, the definition of basis is this, and basis is also classified based on strength, strong and weak. In strong, the bases are like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and weak bases are like magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Okay, now the properties of base is like, first, they are bitter in taste. Okay. Next, they are slippery to touch. And the next is they also conduct electricity, and few bases are soluble and few bases are not soluble in water. Okay. The next one is indicator. Now the indicator means it indicate the acid or base. Okay, and it is the very important part of this chapter. Okay, now there are two type of indicators like natural and synthetic. Natural indicators are like China rose, turmeric, litmus paper and red cabbage. And synthetic indicators are like methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Now, how indicate the acid and bases? Let us take and let us see. So first we take litmus paper. Okay, there are two type of litmus paper, which is blue and let us take it red. Okay, red color. Now when we take blue litmus paper and dip in something, and if the blue litmus paper is the same and didn't change the color, and then it is base, and if it is changed into red color, then it is acid. Okay, now in red litmus paper, what happened? If it change into blue color, then it is base, or if it is changed, or if it is, doesn't change or remain same, then it is acid. Okay, see it very carefully. Okay, now the indicator, which is China rose. Okay, this is just the color of China rose is like lightly pink. Okay, if it goes in something and the color change into dark magenta, okay, then it is acid. Or if it goes in something and the color change into green color, then it is a base. Okay, now in turmeric indicator, the yellow color of turmeric is mostly yellow color. Okay, if it is pouring something and the color is same, then it is acid. Okay, the yellow color. Or if it is like red color, then it is a base. Okay, and the same thing in red cabbage. Okay, red cabbage is just like this thing. Okay. Okay, I will make you the new thing. Red cabbage indicator. Okay, red cabbage indicator में the first thing, red cabbage, which is like dark magenta color or in magenta color. Okay, okay, we can make here two container. Okay, if it give us red color, then it is acid. Or if it give us yellow color, which color? Yellow color, then it is base. Okay, if it gives us red color, then it is base, acid, and if it is give us yellow color, then it is base. Okay, these are the four natural indicators, and we see all these things. Now next, synthetic indicators, which are to phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay, if we take phenolphthalein, which is colorless, okay, if it remains same colorless, then it is acid, and if color change into like magenta, purplish, then it is base. Okay, and in methyl orange, of course, we can see the name methyl orange, then we can guess the color of methyl orange is orange, and if the color change into red, then it is acid, or if the color change into yellow, then it is base. Sorry, it is base. It is base. Okay. Now next we learn about neutralization. What is neutralization and how salt is formed? Now, what is neutralization and how salt comes? And how salt comes? Now, neutralization, it is a reaction, okay, it is a reaction when both acid and base mixed each other and cancel each other, and the left thing is only salt plus water. How it is? Like this. It is a reaction, it is a reaction when acid plus base, then it gives us salt and water. Salt and water. Let us take an example. Let us take an example. Example like I taken HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is acid, okay, hydrochloric acid, and plus sodium hydroxide, which is base, okay. When they mix each other, it gives us like NaCl, which is salt, and the left thing is H2O, which is water, okay. I hope you all understand all these things that's done in this chapter. Thank you so much for listening me. Okay. Thank you.